North Korea fired 3 missiles, including one thought to be an intercontinental ballistic missile on Wednesday, after U.S. President Joe Biden left Asia following a trip in which he agreed to new measures to deter the nuclear-armed state. South Korea's Joint Chiefs of Staff said the 3 missiles were fired in less than an hour from the North's capital, Pyongyang, where its international airport has become a hub of missile tests. In response, the United States and South Korea held combined live-fire drills, including surface-to-surface missile tests involving the Army Tactical Missile System of the U.S. and the South SRBM, both militaries said. North Korea has conducted a flurry of missile launches this year, from hypersonic weapons to test firing its largest ICBM for the first time in nearly 5 years. It also appears to be preparing for what would be its first nuclear test since 2017. U.S. and South Korean officials had recently warned that North Korea appeared ready for another weapons test, possibly during Biden's visit, which was his first trip to Asia as president and included a summit with South Korean President